Hello and welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. As I promised, I am consistent this time, and welcome back to the second vlog of my Bangalore diary. Guess what? This is the most interesting vlog, and I think you guys are gonna love it. So basically, this is the home tour of my Bangalore apartment, and I'm gonna give you a very nice, detailed home tour. And yeah, that's it. And how's the glow? Because this is my new ring light that I have ordered today from Zepto, and it's really good. I got it around 700 rupees, and I think it's the best deal anyone can ever get. It's currently 3:57, like almost 4 p.m. in the evening, and I had my lunch. Like I got fresh and everything, and my sister, she went for the gym, and I'm all alone in the home, so I thought I'll make a home tour video for you guys. This is the entrance from where you enter. So after entering, we get this kind of side table, you can say. So it's a side table, like where we have plenty of things of my sister. इधर से कुछ भी मेरा नहीं है. और नीचे we have some sandals that we usually wear to go out, like the daily wear, like daily footwears. We kept it here. So on this side we have some cartoons, जो कि आज मेरा रिंग लाइट आया है, तो ये इस चीज़ का कार्टून है. When we take turn from here, we have our TV, जो कि हमने अभी तक रिचार्ज नहीं करवाया है, because we don't need that much. और वैसे भी टीवी कोई देखता है नहीं आजकल फ़ोन के ज़माने में. सो या, एंड देन इफ़ यू लुक हियर वी इवन हैव अ चेयर. सो बेसिकली this side table, like this table, it's for eating food because we don't have kind of dining table. So I think they gave it for having food, but it's not enough for two people to have food in here, so we made it some storage kind of thing. And if you see that side, we have this nice music box that we keep listening song to. सुबह से लेके रात तक we keep listening music here, क्योंकि my sister, she loves to listen to music every time. So yeah, but that is हम लोग का खुद का है, वो मेरी दीदी खुद लाई है. It's like not given. So yeah. So now if we turn this side, it's our sofa area. So we basically have two sofas here where we can chill, we can talk, we have our coffee, we have our morning drinks, and we have this one small mini table, tea table. Yeah. And then in this side we have this one small mandir. I'm gonna give you a very close view of it. और उसके पीछे you can see this one cute lamp. So yeah, we have this cute lamp that I recently got from Flipkart, and if you guys need the link, I can give it to you, and it's in a very affordable price. We have a window in the background, and इससे sunlight ज़्यादा आती नहीं है, but yeah, it's not bad, it's good, चल जाता है. So this side we kept our कपड़े सुखाने वाला, because as you guys know कि बेंगलोर का वेदर बहुत ज़्यादा like unpredictable है. अभी अगर कपड़ा सूख के आप बाहर दे रहे हो तो कभी बारिश होगा आपको पता भी नहीं चलेगा. So we have this one drying stand in here, so that हम लोग कपड़ा वॉशिंग मशीन में डाल के फिर आके हम लोग इधर सुखा सकते हैं अगर बाहर बारिश हो रही हो तो. So yeah. सो दिस इज़ द मंदिर जो हम लोग ने सेटअप किया है, एक छोटा सा लेकिन बहुत प्यारा सा. लाइक वी हैव हनुमान चालीसा ओवर देयर, वी हैव दिया एंड एवरीथिंग. और नीचे में जो मंदिर का सामान है वो सब रखा हुआ है, जैसे कि तेल, मंदिर का बर्तन धोने के लिए साबुन, जो कि हम लोग एक्स्ट्रा यूज़ करते हैं ऑफ कोर्स. और उसके साइड में है ये धूप वगैरह रखा हुआ है. सो या, दैट इज़ द मंदिर पार्ट. showing you the ceiling part. So it's very pretty actually. That's why I'm showing it to you. It's a false ceiling where we have these different colors lights. Some of them are warm light and some other color lights, as you can see. So it really looks good with the room. So that's it for the living room. Like, that was it. It's not a very big space enough. Like, every morning we sit here, we have our morning drink, like lemon water or like coffee or whatever we have. And I'm not saying it for the aesthetics, but yeah, it's true. So yeah, I just love our living space area. So now I'm gonna show you the kitchen. So this is our kitchen, and this is where we cook, like we do everything. We have a fridge which is already pre-installed, and oh, by the way, our house is a fully furnished 1 BHK. So yeah, that is the kitchen. Like, this is the fridge that we have got from before, and everything was there. Sirf bartan khud ka hai, and we have got installed this filter pani ka because we need it. And then we have so much storage in there. I'll show you everything, but this is like the overview that I'm giving you. So this was the like entrance part, like the drawing room, and from here we enter, and we have put these two cute small plants, if you can see, and these are so good. Like, this is the favorite part of my house. This is where we have kept all our utensils. धो वो के साफ करके सब इधर में रखा है. The second we have this stack. जो उधर में स्पेस है, देर वी हैव केप्ट लाइक आटा वगैरह, लाइक बिस्किट एंड ऑल दिस. सो वो मैं आपको नहीं दिखाऊंगी अभी. सो अदर देन दैट वी हैव दिस microwave. Yes guys, so this microwave it was already given in here. पहले से ही था, इधर में ही दिया है हम लोग को ये वाला, and it really works. बहुत अच्छे से काम कर रहा है. And we have air fryer, और ये सब भी पहले से दिया हुआ है, बट वी हैव आवर ओन एयर फ्रायर, सो हम लोग ने वो भी लाया है. एंड दैट्स द फ्रिज. सो आई एम गोना शो यू द फ्रिज ऑल्सो. सो या, व्हाट्स इन माई फ्रिज, लेट्स ओपन. सारी सामान है, इफ़ यू कैन सी. ये दरवाज़ा रहता ही नहीं है गाइस. सो यू कैन सी वी हैव दिस अंडा हियर. फिर इधर में कुछ पीनट बटर मेयोनीज, फिर ये शेजवान सॉस एंड एवरीथिंग, और नीचे में सॉस वगैरह है. और एकदम नीचे में वी हैव दिस कोकोनट वाटर, ठंडा पानी, सम पीनट्स, लेमन वगैरह. एंड देन वी हैव विट. सो इन हियर वी हैव द सब्जी वगैरह एंड एवरीथिंग. इधर में कुछ बटर वगैरह, ब्रेड वगैरह सब रखा हुआ है. एंड ये नीचे वाले में भी सब्जी है, और ये ऊपर वाले में एंड बेबी कॉर्न. So that's it for the fridge, and I think that is it for the kitchen. So this is the bed area. You can say it's not properly a bedroom, but yeah, that is all we have, and it's very cute. The bed is very big and very comfortable. So like this is the entrance जो कि आप लोग ने देखा था कि ड्राइंग रूम से हम इधर जाके we have a kitchen this side, and this is a bed area. So this is the bed. एंड इट्स रियली बिग गाइज. लाइक यहाँ पे 4 जन तो आराम से सो जाएंगे. एंड देन आफ्टर दैट इन दिस साइड वी हैव अ नाइस विंडो जिससे कुछ भी व्यू नहीं आता है गाइज. दिस इज़ द मिरर, जो कि मैं मिरर में अभी नहीं आऊँगी गाइज. सो दिस इज़ द मिरर, और इधर पे हम लोग का कुछ लाइक स्किन केयर वगैरह सब कुछ रखा हुआ है. एंड ये सब कुछ पहले से ही था इधर पे गाइज. सो दिस इज़ द बेड. So I'm gonna give you some close view of everything. So this is the wardrobe section. So this is a very small wardrobe, और उसके साथ ही मिरर है, और wardrobe is big enough जिसमें हम 2 जन का कपड़ा आ जाता है आराम से. एक अभी मैं wardrobe के अंदर क्या है वो मैं नहीं दिखाना चाहूँगी guys, because it's a mess. But yeah, some other day I'll try to show you. And that is it. That is the wardrobe part, and it's very small. इससे ज़्यादा और दिखाने के लिए कुछ नहीं है. This is the bed, and that is my cute plushie over there, जिसके बिना मैं सो नहीं सकती हूँ guys. And both side we have this small like bed table, and I have my photo frame in there. और एक छोटा plant है, पानी का बोतल है, my charger, massager and everything, and that is it. This is the AC that we have got. पहले से ही है इधर में, ये AC पहले से ही दिया हुआ है. So this is our bed and this is the AC, जो कि चलाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ती है guys. It's like AC नहीं चाहिए but fan चाहिए होता है कभी कभी. So yeah, that is it for the bedroom. It's not a bedroom guys, it's just a bed space you can say, and that is the bathroom. So I think I'm not gonna show you bathroom ka inside mein, but the bathroom is also very good. They have everything that we need, and yeah, that's it. So yeah, that is it for the vlog, and that was my house, that was my apartment in Bangalore. So yeah, I'm gonna give you some basic details of the like apartment. So it's in Kormangla, and that is the main hotspot you can say in Bangalore. So it's really expensive, like I know it's just a 1 BHK, but it's fully furnished. We got almost every amenities that is like important in a furnished house, and moreover we got like microwave and everything, and air fryer and everything. So it's really good. And uske alawa we have AC, fan, everything, sofa, सब कुछ है. The only 1-2 things that are missing is adjustable, like adjust हो जाता है उनसे. And there are some other best parts of the rent, and that is the main thing is कि कपड़े वपड़े धोने के लिए we have washing machine, जिसके लिए हमें 3rd floor जाना पड़ता है कपड़े धोने के लिए. और उधर में we give our clothes and they even dry it, they even clean like they even clean it, dry it, and then they come and give it to our rooms, and they even come for cleaning and everything, like घर वर पोछा झाड़ू करने के लिए, झाड़ू पोछा करने के लिए भी आते हैं. So it's everything included. And current का bill भी just for 15 days it's too high, it's almost near 2K, and we were really shocked कि इतना current का bill कैसे आ गया, because we are not even using AC and anything. But yeah, it's like that in here, but उपाय नहीं, क्योंकि हम लोग को एक बहुत अच्छा घर मिला है, and we don't want to leave this because it's not been 1 month also. So after staying for some months we are thinking we'll change it, but yeah, let's see अगर कुछ अच्छा वाला मिलता है. So yeah, that is it for the vlog, and thank you for watching till here. And if you like it, let me know in the comment section, and if you are new to my channel, make sure to like, share and subscribe, and mainly subscribe guys, please do subscribe. And let me know what kind of other vlogs do you want in Bangalore, and I'm gonna try to vlog everything and show it to you guys. And yeah, that is it, and thank you for watching.